Hello everybody, my name is Bud. But today I'm only talking about how to make bowling balls. Bowling balls, that is something that's heavy. And also, we use it to play bowling. Bowling is the kinds of games that we use a kind of heavy ball. Hook it so that those kinds of pieces will being fallen, and after it falls, then it's gonna be you win. Like if you can hit it for more than the other person, then you win. Or if you hit the most, of course you're the winner. Well, let's go through steps to make bowling balls. First, as always, is the ingredient part. We have polyester, urethane, and resins as the main ingredients of making a bowling ball. Polyester, urethane, and resin. Those are the kinds of materials that we use. Next, hollow out bowling ball. Making those bowling balls was just pretty easy. It'll have a kind of object like this, just like a bowl. And we use that bowl. We smooth it, we make sure that it was thick, right? Because those kinds of balls can't be break. Because if it breaks, it can't be played. A bowling ball is really, really hard to break or is non-breakable. Like you can't use your hand to break it or using a hammer to break it easily. So making that, you're going to have a hollow out of a bowling ball. Like imagine I have a kind of part here, and just imagine that this one was just like the half of the bowling ball. Okay, this is the half, the other half. Well, when I am hollowing out, I make it not into a shape flat like this anymore, but I'm going to make it inside like this. So it's just have the surrounding. After that, we're going to smooth the inside of those bowling balls. You must smooth it so that it looks pretty great. And remember, you can have any colors you want for it. I forget that part. Sorry for my brain. Well, we smooth inside of the bowling ball. Then we have a flattened lip. You're going to flatten the lip and make sure all these ingredients are inside. Then finish the round lip and then finish the outside and inside of that half of a bowling ball. Okay? And the second part, the other oval, is just the same as the first part. I give you about 20 seconds for you to retell these kinds of steps. Okay? Time set, ready, set, go. Okay, time's up. If you can't, you can pause the video. The second part was just like you hollow out of the bowling ball. You hold it out. Then smooth the inside of a bowling ball. Then flatten those lip and round up those lip. Then finish the outside and inside of the bowling balls and congratulations. Then you're going to put those two parts inside each other to make it into a perfect bowling ball. And that's it. Remember to have those kinds of three or I don't remember so that you can hook it. You can take it and hook it. you won't just hold it like a basketball. You have to use those kinds of holes in. Now, sometimes in some websites, you can see some of them that are making those kinds of bowling balls a lot. I also see that too, but I'm not really interested with it. Because I'm not a fan of bowling. I once have a kind of play game of those bowling balls and it was pretty fun. Do you have, like, I don't have bowling right now, so I'm going to use some of my Legos. I have some to make you understand it. I'm going to have like a table, okay? Well, first, we're going to set up the goals. I'm going to put around 3 or whether any type. Okay, 3. This kinds of game, if you're Vietnamese, then you maybe know a game that looks like this. You take your shoes out and then use it. You put the cans on so that you could have it. Okay? And then we're going to use a bowl. There you go. I'm going to have this bowl. Now, this is the bowling ball. We move it. Let me use my friend as a help. Hello guys, I'm going to teach you how to play bowling balls. This is the first time I try this. Okay, so I'm going to use my hands. Oh, that doesn't hit. Oh, wow. I didn't hit it. Okay, let me do it for you. Just stand here for a watch. I don't know if I can do it. Okay, I have taken 2 pieces out of the box. This is kind of fun. You want to try it? Okay. Oh. Yeah, I moved 2 pieces too. Okay, that's a kind of bowling ball that's super mini. Or what else could I use to make it for you? I don't know what, but let's just say this. I have here a bottle of those eye liquids. I don't know how to say that. Sorry for bad English. And a bowl. I'm going to use this. This is not the shape of a bowl, but I hope it's going to work. Oh, I'm going to change the subject. Okay, this is the bowl. It's heavier than those kinds of lips. Okay. Ooh, that's really far. It comes through, down on my table. Want to try it one more time? I'm going to show you the sides for more. Right? No, I'm not. Right on this. Okay? Put it there. And there's the bowling. You see that? And don't think that inside a bowling games, those just falls down like that. They will have a kind of hole so that those kinds of person in the back would took those bowling balls back. So don't think about losing them. Okay? Well, today we've learned about how to make bowling balls and play a little bit. That's pretty fun. By the way, I'll see you guys later. It's my time to go and play with my friend Koala for a little bit. He's stressing me up there. Bye.